The iOS 14 update has made later iPhones able to recognize sound. This is made possible with the iOS sound recognition system in accessibility. When enabled, this feature helps your iPhone detect sounds such as a doorbell, crying baby, or siren, and then notify you when it recognizes these sounds. With the release of iOS 16 update, this feature got even better. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to enable sound recognition on the iPhone 14 Pro. But before we move on, please like and share this video so that it will also reach others who need the same information. Now let's get back to our topic. To get started, open the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen or app library of your iPhone. While in the Settings menu, scroll to find Accessibility and then tap on it. Another menu opens with a list of all accessibility features available. Find Sound Recognition from the list of options to proceed. On the succeeding window, tap to turn on sound recognition. Then, tap Sounds and turn on the sounds that you want your iPhone to recognize. You can turn on any of the available sounds to recognize, such as alarms, animals, household custom appliance, or doorbell and people. Simply tap to enable your preferred sounds for your iOS device to recognize. Your iPhone will then continuously listen for certain sounds and use on-device intelligence to determine whether or not it knows the sound. When it recognizes the sound, you will be notified. Sound recognition can also be turned on or off through the iPhone 14 Pro Control Center. Simply swipe down from the top of the screen to launch the panel, then tap on the sound recognition icon. Just look for the icon that looks like an audio bar with a magnifying glass beneath it. Once you tap on that icon, a quick menu opens with a list of different sounds. There is also an option for you to adjust the sound recognition settings when needed. And that's all there is to the iPhone 14 Pro sound recognition feature. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it if you do. Thank you for watching.